Ever thought about a world without banks? A place where you can borrow, lend, and trade without traditional institutions? Welcome to DeFi. With traditional finance, you'd go to a bank, fill out paperwork, and wait for approval. With DeFi, you can connect directly from your wallet for instant loans. DeFi operates on blockchain technology, utilizing smart contracts that execute code on the blockchain to facilitate transactions autonomously. To lend your cryptocurrency, deposit it into a lending pool on a DeFi platform. Others can borrow while you earn interest, all automatically. Lending is just one aspect of DeFi. Other applications include decentralized exchanges, yield farming, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. Imagine a future with DeFi in our everyday life, featuring decentralized insurance, gaming, and social networks. The possibilities are endless. DeFi faces challenges like volatility, security risks, and regulatory uncertainty. Yet it holds the potential to revolutionize finance, making it more accessible. DeFi, the future of finance, is decentralized.